Hello everyone. This will be the part number 2 of paper 4 May June 2023 paper 4-2 extended. So starting with question number 4, the table shows information about the heights of 80 children. Height is given in meters, frequency is given. We write down the interval containing the median. So to find the median, first what we have to do, we have to find the total of the frequency written as summation f. When you add all the numbers 2 plus 13 plus 24 plus 32 plus 9, you will get 80, which is an even number. So median is equals to, whenever the total is even, median is always calculated as n plus 1 upon 2, that is 80 plus 1 upon 2, 81 upon 2, which will give you 81 divided by 2 is 40.5. So now find the cumulative frequency. This is 2, then 2 plus 13 will give me 15, then 15 plus 24, 15 plus 24 is 39, then 39 plus 32, 39 plus 32 will give me 71. So that means after 39, 40, 41 will all come here. So this range is 1.65 to 1.8. Answer. Now calculate an estimate of the mean height. Mean is equals to summation fx upon summation f, that is total of fx upon total of f. So fx, what is x? X is the midpoint we find. What is the midpoint of this? I will show you 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 1.4 divided by 2. It's 1.3. Similarly, we will find out for the rest. Put it in your calculator. So you will be getting it is 1.45, 1.575. This is 1.725 and the last one is 1.85. Now summation fx means f is multiplied by x. That means first is 2 multiplied by 1.3, then 13 multiplied by 1.45 plus 24 multiplied by 1.575, then 32 multiplied by 1.725 plus 9 multiplied by 1.85 divided by summation of f, which is 80. When you multiply and add them, you will be getting 131.1 upon 80. So your answer is 1.63875 meters. Answer. So one of these children is chosen at random. Calculate the probability that they have a height of 1.4 meter or less. First check the table. 1.4 meter or less, where it will lie 1.4 meter less than 1.4 meter. So it is this interval. How many children are there? 2 children are there. So the probability that we will be writing here is probability is equals to 2 children out of how many children? 80 children are there. So 2 upon 80 means 1 upon 40 when you divide. So your answer is 1 upon 40. Now, 2 of these children are chosen at random. Calculate the probability that both children are taller than 1.5 meter, but one of them is taller than 1.8. 1.5, both children are taller than 1.5 and one of them is taller than 1.8. So more than 1.5 means it will lie in this interval, and one which is more than 1.8 will lie in this interval. So the total for these two, 24 plus 32, you will be getting 56. Okay, so doing it here. Probability first probability is what? 56 total out of 80 children. When you have selected the first child and then you have to select the second child, so and for and it is multiplication. For second child, what is the probability? Total children more than 1.8 meter is 9, so it is 9, and one children is already selected, so total is 79. Now the second case, what if you will select the tall child first, then tall child 9 out of 80, then the short child, that means 56 divided by 79. So either you will do this or you will do this, or for or it will be plus. So total of the probability is P1 plus P2, which will give you, when you multiply these two, you will get 9 into 56, 504 plus 504. Is there anything that I can cut? 504, 9 into 56, 504 divided by 80 multiplied by 79, which is 6320. So that means 504, 6320. So when you will, that means you will multiply this by 2, 504 plus 504 plus 504 is equals to 1008 divided by 6320. So when you solve this, you will get 63 upon, you will be using your scientific calculator, you will be getting 63 upon 395. Okay, so that will be your answer, 63 upon 395. Use your scientific calculator, so you will get the answer in fraction form. It is better to write in fraction form rather than writing it in the decimal form, the probability. Okay. So now coming to part number C, cumulative frequency we have already calculated here, 2, 15, 39, 71. So in this part number C, we have to complete this table. So it is 2, then 15, then 39, then 71, and then last one is 71 plus what? 9, which will give me 80. Now on the grid, draw the cumulative frequency diagram. Okay, so when 2, it is 1.4, and 1.4, it is 2. So when it is 1.4, height is 1.4, then cumulative frequency is 2. So first see where it is 2. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. So this is 2. So at 1.4 it is 2. Then 15. At 15 at what? 1.5. 1.5 it is 15. Then 1.65. Okay, 1.5 it is 15. So 1.5 and 15 will be where? 10, 12, 14, and 15 will be here. Then 1.65, 1.6 is here, then 1.6, then 1.65 will be here. This is 1.65. Then at this it is 39. 39 will be where? This is 39. and then 1.8, at 1.8 it is 71. Where is 71? 71 will be here. And the last one at 1.9 it is 80. 80 is the last one. So when you draw your curve, taking a light shade to represent it, it will be coming like this. Okay, now use your diagram to find an estimate of the interquartile range. Interquartile range is what? It is upper quartile minus lower quartile. Upper quartile, how we will be finding? 3 upon 4 of 80, which is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 0, that is 60th one. And lower quartile is 1 upon 4 of 80, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 0, which is 20th one. So 60th, then 68th is 1 on 68th, it is, I will draw a line, it is 60, and when you drop down here, how much it is coming? It is 1.74, 1.74 it is coming. Okay, 71, 72, 77, 70, 75, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 10 differences here, so it is 1.74. So you will write 1.74 minus lower quartile is 28th. So 28th, I'll draw a line here, and then I will drop a line here. So it is coming out as 1.51, 52, 53, 1.535, around 1.51, 52, 53, 535 it is coming. So it is, you can write it as 1.53 approximately. So you can minus 1.53. So 1.74, take out, minus 1.74, 1.74 minus 1.53 will give me 0.21. Okay, so my answer 0.21. Okay, now starting with part number 2, the 60th percentile that we have to calculate, it is 60 upon 100 multiplied by 80, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 8s are 48. So from the diagram, on 48 we will draw a line. 48 will be here, drawing the line and then dropping down. It is coming around as 1.6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.68 it will come. So your answer is 1.68 meters. Answer. Now question number 5. A cone has a base diameter 8 cm and perpendicular height 15 cm. Calculate the volume of the cone. The volume of the cone, the formula given as 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So this is the center of the cone, dropping a line from the vertex and joining here like this. This is the radius. This is the height. This is called as L, which is the slant height of the cone. So to find the slant height, we use the formula L square is equals to h square plus r square, Pythagoras theorem. So h is given as 15 and r is given as half of it is 4 square. Put this in your calculator. So you will be getting L is equals to 15.52. So volume is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, which is 1 upon 3 pi r is 4 square into h is 15. Here we are not using slant height, just 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Put this in your calculator. So you'll be getting 251.3 centimeter cube. Okay, a label completely covers the curved surface area of the cone. Calculate the area of the label as a percentage of the total surface area of the cone. The curved surface area is given as pi rl. Now here we will be using slant height. So area is equals to pi rl. So pi into 4 into 15.52. Put this in your calculator. So answer is 195.08. Now total surface area TSA is equals to pi rl plus, see, if this is a cone, rough figure I am telling you, if this is a cone, this is the down part, curved surface area, this is the curved surface area of the cone, that is pi rl, and we also use this area, okay, which is pi r square. So total surface area is pi rl and pi r square. So 195.08 plus pi r square means 4 square. Put this in your calculator. 245.348. Now you have to calculate this as a percentage. So percentage is equals to, calculate the area of the label. Label area is only the curved surface area, that is pi rl, which is 195.08, divided by the total area, which is 245.348, multiplied by 100. So your answer is 79.5. 79.5% answer. Now coming to B part. An empty cylinder container has radius 0.45. 300 liters of water is poured into the container at a rate of 375 ml per second. Find the time taken in minutes and seconds for all the water to be poured into the container. So 375 milliliter is equals to 1 second. That means 375 ml of water is being poured in 1 second. So how much water we have to pour? 300 liters. So change it into milliliters. 300 into 1000 milliliter will be in 1 into 300 into 1000 divided by 375 seconds. So which will give you 800 seconds. Now in minute and seconds you have to change it into, so divide 800 by 60 to convert it into minute and seconds. So 60 ones are 60, then it will be 200, 60 3s are 180. So it will be 20. So that means 13 minutes and 20 seconds. This is 13, this is 20 seconds. Okay. Now calculate the height of the water in the container. Volume is equals to pi r square h. This is the formula. So height is equals to what? Volume upon pi into r square. Volume is given as 300 liters. That means 0.3. Change it into meters. Upon pi, and radius is what? Radius is 0.45 meters. So 0.45 whole square. Put this in your calculator. So height is 0.472 meters. 0.472 meters. This is your answer. Now question number 6. A sequence has nth term n upon 2n plus 3. Find the first 3 terms of this sequence. Give your answer as a fraction. So first term a1 is equals to, put the value of n1 for first term. Put the value of n2. For the second term, the value of n will be 2. For third term, the value of n will be 3. So 1 upon 2 into 1 plus 3 which will give me 1 upon 5. A2, the second term will be 2 upon 2 into 2 plus 3, which will give me 2 upon 7. And A3, third term, is 3 upon 2 into 3 plus 3, that is 3 upon 9. So 1 upon 5, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 9. These are the first three terms of the sequence. Now, part number 2. The kth term of the sequence is 12 upon 25. Find the value of k. Okay, so 12 upon 25 is the kth term. So in the formula where n is written, put the value k to find the kth term. So kth term will be k upon 2k plus 3. This is the kth term. If I will say kth term is equals to what? K upon 2k plus 3, which is already given as 12 upon 25. So I equated them. Now cross multiply. So you will get 12 2s are 24k plus 12 3s are 36 is equals to 25k. So 25k minus 24k, taking 24 to the other side, is equals to 36. So k is equals to 36. Answer. Now part number B. Find the nth term of each sequence. So first of all, see what is the difference. This is 13 minus 6, 7. 32 minus 13 is 19. Then 69 minus 32 is 37. Then 130 minus 69 will give me 61. Now the difference is not similar. Coming to this point, 19 minus 7 is 12. 37 minus 19 is equals to 18, and 61 minus 37 will give me 24. Again, it is not same. Again, subtracting the next two terms, 18 minus 12 is 6. 18 minus 12 is 6, and then 24 minus 18 is also 6. So it is the third step that you are getting. That means n cube will be the first term. Now see, when you put n as 1, so 1 plus what you will get? 6, 5. Similarly, for the other term 13, when you put n is 2, so that means 2 cube, which is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Now I am getting the sequence. So this is the general formula for the sequence. For the part number 2, similarly, we will find 150. When you see here, it is the division formula. 50 divided by 100, which will give me 1 upon 2. 25 divided by 50, also 1 upon 2. 12.5 divided by 20, this is the half one. Okay, so this is also half. That means an is equals to what? A r to the power of n minus 1. This is the formula for this GP. So it is 1. R is what? Ratio is 1 upon 2, n minus 1. That means it is 100. 2 to the power, when you this is 1 upon 2 is in the reciprocal form. So when you flip it, you will get it is as 1 minus n. Now question number 7. The diagram shows the straight roads between town A, town B and town C. Okay, AC is 60, CB is 87, B is due east of A. Then the bearing of C from A is 0, 3, 8. Show that the angle ACB is 95.1, correct to 1 decimal. First of all, since it is given as B is due east of A, that means this angle is 90 degree. So from 90 minus 38, we will be finding this as 52 degree. This is 52 degree. Okay, now use the rule sin B upon 60 is equals to sin 52 degree upon what? 87. Okay, now sin B is what? Put the value sin 52 and 60 will go to the other side. That means 60 upon 87. Put this in your calculator. So you will be getting sin B as 0.8294. So B is equals to sin inverse of 0.8294. So you will be getting your answer as for B is equals to 32.92. 32.92 sine B. So sine C is what? Therefore, angle C is equals to total in a triangle. The sum is 180. From 180 we will subtract 52 degree plus 32.92. So angle C will come out as 92.05, which I can not 92. It is 95.08. Approximately 95.1. I can write 95.1 degrees. Okay. .1. Now, part number B. Without stopping, a car travels from town A to town C, then to town B before returning directly to town A. The total time taken for the journey is 3 hours 20 minutes. Calculate the average speed of the car for this journey. Give your answer in kilometers per hour. Okay, so using the same formula, AB, the side that we have to calculate, AB is what upon sine C, opposite angle, is equals to BC upon BC, the opposite side is sine A, sine of A. So it implies AB upon sine C is sine of 95.1 is equals to BC is 87 upon sine of 52 degree. Okay, 95.1 and 52 degree, correct? We are doing correctly. So AB is equals to 87 multiplied by sine of 95.1 upon sine of 52, which is 109.97 when you put in the calculator. Now average speed. Average speed is equals to total distance upon total time. So total distance is what? 60 plus 87 plus 109.97, and total time is given as 3 hour and 20 minutes. 3 hour plus 20 minutes. So in minutes will be converted into hours. So it is 20 upon 60 hour. So when you put it in this your calculator, you will get 256.97 divided by 20 ones are 23s are, so it will be 10 upon 3. So average speed comes out as 77.09 kilometer per hour. So you can write it here 77.1. Starting with question number 8. Show that the equation y equals to x minus 4, x plus 1 and x minus 2 can be written as y equals to x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 8. So taking y is equals to, first multiply first two brackets. So first term into first term into second term, that means x into x square, x into 1 is x, and then second term into first term and second term into second term, minus 4 into x is minus 4x, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, and the third bracket right. So y equals to x square minus 3x minus 4, and then the other bracket. Now on the same principle we multiply these two brackets. So x square into x cube, and x square minus 2 multiplied by minus 2x square, minus 3x multiplied by x minus 3x square, minus 3x into minus 2, that will give me plus 6x, minus 4 into x minus 4x, minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. So y is equals to x cube minus 2 minus 3 minus 5x square plus 6 minus 4 plus 2x and plus 8. This is the answer that we have to prove. Part number 2, on the diagram, sketch the graph of y equals to x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 8. Now to plot this, first we will make a table. making a table. Okay, so taking the values of x and y. Okay, when we take the value of x as 0, so we know that this equation it can be written as x minus 4, x plus 1, x minus 2. So when you put x is equals to 0, what you will be getting the value of y? Minus 4. Y will be what? Minus 4, 1 and minus 2 when x is equals to 0. Okay, I will erase it from here. So this is y is what? X minus 4, x plus 1 and x minus 2. Now in your calculator, when you put the value of x is equals to 2 in this, x is equals to 0 in this, you will get y. The value of y is 8. Y equals to, I will write here, y equals to 8 when x is equals to 0. Okay, similarly, when you put the value of x as 4, then value of y will become 0. When you put the value of x as 2, the value of y will become 0. And when you put the value of x as minus 1, then again the value of y will become 0. So what you will do, you will write here the points, take in 1 centimeter distance, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here you will take 2, 4, 6, and this is 8. So when x is 0, y is equals to 4. So this is the point. When x is 4, y is equals to 0, this point. When x is 2, y is 0, this point. When x is minus 1, y is 0, this point. Okay. When x is 0, y is equals to 8. This I need to change. Sorry for this one. When x is 0, y is equals to 8. So this is the point. This is the point. Okay. Now x is 0, y is equals to 8. So how my curve will go? It will go like this, passing from here, again going up. That will be the curve. Okay. Now part number B. The graph of the equation has two tangents with a gradient of 10. Find the equation of these two tangents. You must show all your working and give your answers in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So to find the tangents, first you will differentiate the equation. To differentiate the equation, you will find y dash. That means y dash means dy upon dx. To find dy by dx, you will be getting, it is 3x square minus 5 2s are 10x plus 2 plus 8, which is given as 10. This is the gradient. Y dash means you are finding the dy by dx, which is the gradient of the equation, which is already given as 10. So it is 3x square minus 10x plus 10 plus sorry, this is not 8. The dy by dx of a constant term is always 0, plus 10 plus 2 minus 10 equals to 0, So it is 3x square minus 10x minus 8 equals to 0. So two numbers whose multiplication, which is a into c, is 3 8s are 24, and whose subtraction, here it is minus, whose subtraction will give me 10. So it is 3x square. What two numbers you will be taking? 12 2s are 24. So minus 12x plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. 12 2s are 24 and 12 minus 2 will give me 10. So taking common first two terms and last two terms, 3x is common, so in bracket you will get x minus 4. Here x is common, so you will get x minus 4 equals to 0. So in one bracket x minus 4, other bracket is 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So from here you will get the value as 4 and minus 2 upon 3. So putting the value, therefore when you put x is equals to 4, what is the value of y that you will be getting? 4 cube minus 5 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 8. This is the value which will give you equals to 0 value. When x is equals to minus 2 upon 3, then what will be the value of y that you will be getting? Minus 2 upon 3 whole cube minus 5 minus 2 upon 3 whole square plus 2 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 8, which will be 112 upon 27. So that means the 2 points are, when x is 4, y is 0. And when x is minus 2 upon 3, y is 112 upon 27. So y is equals to mx plus c. The value of m is 10x plus c. Now, when you put the values 4, 0, the value of x and y, therefore y is equals to 0 is equals to 10 into 4 plus c. That means the value of c is coming out as minus 40 from this. So therefore y is equals to 10x minus 40. This is the first equation. And when second part, y is equals to 10x plus c, when it passes through minus 2 upon 3 and 112 upon 27, then y, the value of y is 112 upon 27. This is 10 multiplied by 2 upon 3 plus c. So from here the value of c is coming out as 292 upon 27. Therefore the value of the equation is 10x plus 292 upon 27. This is the second equation of line. So the two equations are 10x minus 40 and 10x plus 292 upon 27. These are the two equations. Question number 9, simplify. So when whole cube is given, that means the cube will come inside on each and every number. That is 3 cube, x to the power 2 3s are 6 and y to the power 4 3s are 12. 3 to the power 3 is 27, x to the power 6 and y to the power of 12. So it is 27, x to the power 6, y to the power of 12. Other one 16 whole to the power minus 3 upon 2. So when you flip it, it will become positive. So you can write it as x to the power 16, y to the power 8 upon 16, and then the power will become positive. Now open the bracket, then 16 is multiplied by 3 upon 2, y to the power 8, which is also multiplied by 3 upon 2, and 16 whole to the power 3 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So you will get x to the power of 8 3s are 24, y to the power 4 3s are 12, and 16 to the power 3 upon 2, when you put in your scientific calculator, it is 64. So your answer is x to the power of 24, y to the power of 12 upon 64. Next is factorize. So we can use a square minus b square formula here. So first of all, it can be written as x square minus 3 whole square. So a square minus b square formula, a minus b, a plus b, that is x minus 3 and x plus 3. Answer. Now next, simplify x square minus 9 upon the term 2xy minus 6y plus 5x minus 15. X square minus 9 can be written as x minus 3, x plus 3 whole upon 2xy. So first two term take common, 2y is common, so in bracket x minus 3, 5 is common, so here it is also x minus 3. So numerator x minus 3, x plus 3, denominator x minus 3 and 2y plus 5. So x minus 3 will cancel out. So your answer is x plus 3 upon 2y plus 5. X plus 3 upon 2y plus 5 is the answer. So now part number C. Solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So what I can do here, take the value of y from here. You can write it as 7 minus 2x. So now 5x square, the equation we are taking is 5x square plus 2x minus 13 is equals to y. So in place of y, put this value 7 minus 2x. Now take all the terms to one side. So 5x square plus 2x minus 13 minus 7 plus 2x equals to 0. So it is 5x square plus 4x minus 20 equals to 0. So using the equation x is equals to minus b under root plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So when you compare it with the general form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, the value for a is 5, value for b is 4 and value of c is minus 20. So in place of b it is 4 minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square means 16 minus 4 into a is 5 and c is minus 20 upon 2 into a is 5. So it is minus 4 plus minus under root of, when you solve this it will be 16 plus 400 whole upon 10. So minus 4 plus minus under root of 416 upon 10. So x is equals to, when you solve this it will be minus 4 plus under root of 416 upon 10, one value, the other is minus 4 minus under root of 416 upon 10. Put this in your calculator. So one value you will get 1.6396 and other value you will get minus 2.44. Okay, so when you put this value of x in y is equals to 7 minus 2x in this, so from here you will get two values of y, which is when you put in place of x 1.6396, then the value for y is 7 minus 2x. Putting one value you will get 7 minus 2x 1.6396. when you put, then you will get 3.72, and when you put, this is x1 and this is x2, so this is y1 and this is y2, 7 minus 2 x2, that means you will get the value here as 11.88. so when x is 1.64, y is 3.72, when x is the value of x. So when x is 1.64, y is 3.72, and when x is minus 2.44, y is 11.88. Answer. Question number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a cuboid with a square base of side x centimeter. C, G is equals to 20 centimeter. A, G is equals to 28 centimeter. Calculate the value of x. Okay, first of all, join A to C. Okay. Since this is a cuboid, this angle is 90 degree. So ACG is a right angled triangle. So AG square is equals to AC square plus CG square. So that means it is 28 square is equals to AC square and CG square is 20 square. So AC is equals to, the value for AC will come out under root of 784 minus 400, which will give me under root of 384. That is 8 under root of 6 centimeter. Now AC square is also AB square plus BC square, AB and BC. So AB square plus BC square. So that means 8 under root of 6 whole square is equals to x square plus x square. So 2x square is equals to what? 384. So x square is equals to 384 upon 2, which is 192. So x is equals to under root of 192, which will give me 8 root of 3. So either I will write 8 root of 3 centimeter, or I will write in the form of decimal 13.9 centimeter. Answer. Part number B. The diagram shows a different cuboid JKL, MN, PQR, where MR is equals to 30, KR is equals to 37. Correct to nearest centimeter. Calculate the lower bound of the angle between KR and the base JKLM of the cuboid. Okay. So first of all, the nearest centimeter means plus minus 1 upon 2 you will do. So the lower and the upper bound for 30 is 30.5 and 29.5. Similarly, nearest centimeter is plus minus 2. So the lower and the upper bound for 37 is 37.5 and 36.5. Okay. Now, first of all, what you will do, taking this side and then joining this to this properly, okay, and this side also. Say this angle as theta, this angle we know it is 90 degree. So sine of theta is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite lower bound, we will take opposite of lower bound and hypotenuse upper bound to find, since we have to calculate the lower bound. So it will be 29.5 upon 37.5. So theta is equals to sine inverse of 29.5 upon 37.5, which will give me 51.9 degrees. This is your answer. So that's it. This is the last question of this paper. Hope you all have understood this. Thank you.